More than 30,000 people are expected to head to the capital city this week for the 30th annual Topeka Farm Show. This morning, KSNT News reporter James Ryan is live in central Topeka at the Expo Centers with details on what one local vendor says keeps people coming back every year.
Brittany, I'm sitting inside of a tractor wheel, and you know, there's only one thing bigger than these tractors here at the Topeka Farm Show, and that is the crowds. This year's show features more than 600 booths and 250 exhibitors. Kevin Riffle with Lang Diesel Inc. out of Topeka says people like shows like these because they get a lot of extra time with the products.
They get to come see us, we get to go over it in detail. They're not rushed, they're not working. So they get to come in and have a relaxing day here in Topeka, and we get to take our time, go through our products with them.
Riffle says they are showing off the Challenger 747 tractor at the show this week. He says part of the new technology they are seeing is tractors like these that have more power but are also have better fuel efficiency. And Riffle and Lang Diesel are just one of literally hundreds of people that are out here at the Topeka Farm Show. It's running today from 9 to 5, tomorrow from 9 to 8, and then Thursday from 9 to 4. So plenty of time for you to come down and see what it's all about. Maybe sit in a tractor wheel of your very own. Live in central Topeka, James Ryan, KSNT News.
I'm sure that's a goal of many, James, sitting in a tractor wheel. Thank you for the details. Definitely sounds like a good and informative event for so many. Now, along with the booths, the show features free healthcare services as well, and free well water nitrate testing, as well as free horse training. So a lot to see and do at the Kansas Expo Center over the next 3 days.